Now this will give you an idea of the size. This is the Samar 40. This is the Helios 40, which is basically a 4,000 reel, both with the same handles. And you can see here, size-wise, about the same, just to give you an idea what it looks like. Scuba Chris here. Now I did a short presentation on my first business with Gomexus, and good old Vernon over there has been helping me out. So what I did is first thing I did was I changed out the handle for my Samar. This is my Samar 40 for one of these beautiful metal ones. I like this. I mean, the color doesn't have to be an exact match, although in this case it is, but it looks sharp, right? So what I'm going to do today is, this is my most favorite, smoothest Okuma reel. I mean, it is really smooth. This is the Helios. This is the larger Helios 40, which is kind of like a 4,000. So to change this out, let me show you really fast. And then I'm going to show what it looks like in the field, but it feels good. I already did it. It feels good. So what we're going to do, normally you would spin this out. You spin this out while holding this, but this one here, you have to take the knob on the other side out first. And you can see that plastic insert in there. That's either going to come out on this or it's going to stay in there. Do not lose that. That's the reason. If you lose that plastic knob, this will rattle back and forth. It's going to feel real funny. So don't lose it. So what we're going to do, pull this out. It's a hexagonal shape, and it's hollow with threading. So we're going to put in another Gomexus knob. Whew. I mean, it's a really tight friction fit. So you really got to kind of jiggle in there. But you can see it's made it in there now. So I'm going to put this back in. I'm going to tighten this up. Finger tight. There you go. Doesn't that look cool? Look at that. And this, I'm going to show you how it looks like in the field. Looks is important. I mean, it's not the greatest thing. Looks are important, but I prefer how it feels. This feels really good. Now this accessory here, this is not a need, it's a want. You don't need it to catch fish. You don't need it to look cool, although it will look a little bit cool, but you want it, right? You invest so much money into your gear, you want it to feel good. And I tell you, when this is in your hand and your hands are wet, it does feel good, all right? That's all I have to say. Thank you.